Bang, TP fucking smashed. Oh my gosh, what volume just kicked in? YouTube, this is our 385 tick trade that we caught today. Absolutely beautiful from the top, perfect top, all the way down to this bottom with the perfect TP and 385 ticks. I personally made just under $4,000 on this trade, $1,000 across 4 different accounts. And we banked today with the team. This is a live trade recap, by the way. And yeah, let's get right into it here. So first thing I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to zoom out, and what's important to take into consideration here is the previous day's price action, right? What happened yesterday was we saw an insane rally up with no change of character, with no break of structure to the downside, no retracement for the sellers, right? And as we know, as I always preach, everything that goes up has to come down. The stock can't just run up forever, right? You're gonna have to see sellers come in at some point. And yeah, after a 3,600 tick pump with no retracement, no major sellers stepping into the market, I'm walking into today with a short bias, right? So if we go back down, we'll stick on the 15-minute actually. As we can see, market open was around this candle, right here, right? And market opens and we see a nice move to the downside, which this is actually going to be considered low resistance liquidity, right? It's low resistance, not a strong support level down here. So we can go ahead and call this LR, low resistance liquidity run. And initially, price did mitigate most of that, but it's fine. We left behind a level pre-market. If we head over to the 5-minute or the 15-minute, sorry. If we head over to the 15-minute, we can see we had a 15-minute SIBI here. 15-minute SIBI. If we go to the 30-minute, we had a 30-minute SIBI. And if we go down to the hourly finally, we can see there was an hourly SIBI there too. SIBI meaning sell side imbalance. It's a bearish fair value gap, right? That's my main entry model, is based off of fair value gaps here. So yeah, we have a 15-minute, a 30-minute, and an hourly SIBI all kind of lining up in the same region, right? Now, if we head down to, let's go down to the 1-minute. We can also see we had VWAP down here as well. This blue line coming through the screen is VWAP, right? So we have all these SIBIs lining up together, higher time frame SIBIs lining up together. We have a short bias for the day. We have VWAP right above. So what do? I set my entry model. I set my limit somewhere between these SIBIs right here, try to get a good average. I believe it was off the 30-minute SIBI what I entered. No, sorry. This entry was actually off the 30-second. I can't show you guys on TradingView, but there was a 30-second SIBI lining up in all of this, right? So you have a very low time frame, 30-second, lining up with these high time frame levels here. That's precisely where I took my entry off of here. Put it at the CE, the midpoint of the fair value gap. Put my SL above the VWAP just in case price extends to VWAP to bounce from it. As you can see, it worked perfectly. And basically, I just target the bottom of this low resistance liquidity run and TP right before this lower BISI, and not only a BISI there, but you also have that inverse fair value gap right there as well. And I just TP, a couple points before that, and we bag a nice 380 ticks, and it's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that, really. And yeah, it was an absolutely beautiful trade. And also, I guess one more thing you could potentially do is understand the range here was also good, right? The range here was also in a good area. We're also sweeping this buy side liquidity at the top right here, right? We're sweeping that buy side liquidity, gathering that liquidity at that point. Also, this little level right here, also count that. And we're sweeping all the people that had their stop losses at this high at this high, and we're basically taking all those stop losses to generate us enough liquidity to make a move on the opposing draw on liquidity. And that is what the market does every single day without fail. If you know how to trade off of it and play off of it and find levels based off of that, it's a cheat code to life. And it's as simple as that, guys. 380 tick trade. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the gains from today. Like I said, it's a live trade recap here, but if we go to the poster gain section, by the way, everyone can see this if you guys join the Discord. And yeah, the gains kind of go on for a while today. Got people getting payouts today, getting funded today. $19,000 day for actually 2 of our members had a $19,000 day today, copy trading. Absolutely insane. And yeah, fellas, that's our trade recap from today. 380 ticks, $4,000 in the day. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.